Hello people of YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Andrea and today I am bringing you guys the boy beat, or at least my take on the boy beat. This video was inspired by GINSMAKEUP. She is a YouTuber and I really enjoy her videos and I was very inspired by this, so I made one. So yeah, I'll link her original video down below. It's so pretty, like aesthetically wise, it's so nice to look at. I love it so much. So yeah, I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out. While I was blabbing about GINSMAKEUP, I was just filling in my brows very lightly with my brow pencil from, not my brow pencil, my brow is from Anastasia in granite because everything else is too brown for my brow hairs. And I'm just filling it in. I'm not shaping them, I'm not outlining it or nothing. I'm just lightly filling them in to make them look more full where I have very little hair. Me being stupid for a couple of seconds. Guess what? I will not be concealing with my Tarte Shape Tape today. Instead, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade called Too Light for My Skin and using that to carve out my brows. Just the bottom, not the top. I did do my other brow off camera. It's my bad brow. I don't want to have it in the video. So yeah, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel to just gel up my brows and really brush everything into place and make it stay. Okay, moving on to the face. I'm just going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape foundation in the shade Medium Sand. I'm putting that all over my spots that I want to conceal, like really bad acne marks or where I'm like really red. I am then taking a buffing brush from Ulta and just buffing that all into my skin. Once I buff that in, I will be taking my Maybelline setting powder and setting all of my face. I will then be making my designer eye bags more prominent by using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just an angled brush like the one that is on my face to make my eye bags pop. I then start bringing it into my inner corner and run it above my eye into the crease. When you look into a mirror and realize how ugly you actually are. Okay, so for highlighter we're going to be using the Naked Skin Illuminating? The liquid highlighter from Urban Decay in the shade Sin. We're going to put that on our cheekbones, on the tip of our nose, on the bridge of our nose, and on our cupid's bow. Then blend it all out with the tip of our finger. I actually don't know why I put it on the tip of my nose. I hate highlighter on noses. I forgot to think, so I put it there too. So yeah, just blend it all out. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Supersizer mascara and putting that on my top and bottom lashes very lightly. You don't want to coat them too heavily because we are trying to keep this very natural. And then you just proceed to stab yourself in the eye. But the show must go on, and so we are going to finish putting on mascara on both of our eyes and then we'll be right back. Okay, great, we're back and we are moving on with the lips. I am lining my lips, not overlining, okay? Just lining your lips with my MAC lip liner in Spice. And then filling it in also with that same lip liner. I then take my Smashbox LA Lights blendable lip and cheek color stick in Sunset and Wine and just lightly pat that all over my lips, very lightly because this thing is very pigmented. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.